What you doing, silly kitty? What you doing, silly? Taking a bath? Taking a bath? Taking a bath? I thought you needed water for that. Hey you, stop doing that. Wow, you are just completely ignoring me. You know, behind this camera, you look so dark. Probably because it's dark in here, but you look so viciously dark. You know, I can't even see your eyes on this camera. I'm gonna push you over. Wow, that didn't even work. I can't even push you over. Oh, you're already laying down. Duh. Can I push you over? Can I pet your head? Ah, she's just gonna... Okay, push the kitty. Oh no, you're going down. I got your tail. I can't grab your tail. I got your tail. Got your tail. Well, here's my hey, give me my shirt back. Give me my shirt. Fine, I'll drop it on your face. See how you like it. Is my shirt on your face? Oh my gosh, are you okay? Are you? Oh my gosh, you don't know what to do. Are you really okay? I mean, I want to look at your tail. Your tail's just flicking back and forth. Are you angry or something? You want me to take it off? Okay, but no clawing the shirt. There you go. You live. Can you dance? Can you dance? Can I pet your stomach? Ah! She's attacking me! Ah! She's attacking me! Ah! You're a meanie. You're a meanie. You're a meanie. Ah! Don't bite me. I'm petting you. Am I getting on your nerves? Am I annoying? Hey, look, I got your foot. What you gonna do about it? I got your foot. What you gonna do about it? Ooh, these pixels look weird. Look at the pickles. So dark, so the pixels are weird. Only your foot shows up. Good. Can you dance? I want to scratch your tummy. Oh, someone's angry. Okay, you're gonna kick me. Well, I got your tail. What you gonna do about it? I got your foot. Got your other foot. I got both your back feet. What you gonna do about it? She's like, girl, let go, me. She just put her foot on top of my hand like, I'm gonna keep your hand there. Ah, she bit me. Ah, I'm gonna fight you. I'm gonna fight you. Ow, I'm winning. I'm winning. Ah, give me my hand back. I want my hand. What are you doing? Ow, give me my hand back. You are mean. I just slapped her. I didn't hit her. I just do this. Ah, what are you doing? Why are you trying to tickle my fingers? Ow, Toby. Oh, I just scared her. I scare you. I scare you. Am I picking on you? Am I picking on you? I'm picking on you. Look at her reaching for me. Reach for the sky. Reach. Hey, give me your hand. Reach for the sky. Wave your hands like you just don't care. She's putting up with me at this point. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Dun, 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 dun. You're weird. Ah! I need my knuckles. You can't bite those off. Hey, give me my finger back. Those are knuckles. You can't eat those. You can't eat that. You can't eat my knuckles. I'm annoying you, aren't I? Am I annoying you? She's not even angry at me. She's just putting up with me. Why are you being mean? I'll throw my shirt back on your face. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do about it? Oh no, she's coming towards me. I'm gonna push her over. I'm not gonna be mean though. Ah! Ah! She got my hand. Back under the shirt you go. And she's running past me. Ah! Come back here. Got you now. I got you now. She's whacking my camera with her tail. Come here. I'm trying to pick you up, Grouchy. There you go. What are you looking at? You're gonna fall off the bed in a minute, Busy. Why? Are you excited? Your tail's just moving. Can I grab it? I'm gonna grab your tail. I got your tail. I'm gonna kill these.